Question 1. My brother dash TV every evening. A. Watch.
B. Watched.
C. Watches. Answer is C. Watches, simple present. Question 2. We dashed lunch at a restaurant yesterday.
A. Have.
B. Had. C. Has. Answer is B. Had, simple past. Question 3. I dash milk every morning. A. Drink.
B. Drank.
C. Drinks. Answer is A. Drink, simple present.
Question 4.
The baby dash all night. A. Cries.
B. Cried.
C. Cry. Answer is B. Cried, simple past. Question 5. Cats dash mice. A. Chase.
B. Chased.
C. Chases. Answer is A. Chase, simple present. Question 6. She dashed a letter yesterday. A. Writes.
B. Write. C. Wrote.
Answer is C. Wrote, simple past. Question 7. We dash breakfast at 8 a.m. every day.
A. Have.
B. Had. C. Has. Answer is A. Have, simple present. Question 8. I dash my friend last Sunday.
A. Meet. B. Met. C. Meets.
Answer is B. Met, simple past. Question 9. She dash very fast.
A. Run.
B. Runs.
C. Ran.
Answer is B. Runs, simple present. Question 10. They dashed the match last week. A. Win. B. Won. C. Wins. Answer is B. Went, simple past. Comment your score. Like and subscribe for more English quizzes.